All right, guys, another week, another episode of Unbox That Wheel, and yes, of course, another set of Origin forged wheels. We're only dealing with the best brands in this country, so you already know what's going on, baby. Let's open this up and see what's cooking in these boxes, because I'm pretty sure it's something shiny today. All right, let's see what's cooking. Let's see what's cooking. These Origin boys are on fire. All right, so let's open this up and let's see what these things are looking like. They're looking like some Lucky Charms, if you ask me. And y'all ready? Because I am. Wow. So we got the one-piece GT3RS.OG style wheel. Now these are going on a 992.2. So if you know the Porsches, you guys know the 992.2 is actually a different fitment from the 991.1. On this set here, we're doing a 22 by 12 in the chrome gold. We're doing a 21 by 9 up front. The rears will be wrapped with a 335 wide, and the fronts will have a 255 wide. Michelin rubber, of course. Now going back to the wheel. This is a chrome gold finish. The vehicle is a PTS purple color. I don't know the exact name off the top of my head, but it also has chrome gold accents and livery done on it. So these wheels are gonna tie in perfectly to the theme that the vehicle has. Now, if you need Porsche wheels, center lock deals, you know how it goes over here, guys. We give the best service, the best advice, and of course, the best price.